Today we will be discussing Newton-Gregory formula for backward interpolation. Now we know that Pnx is equal to A0 plus A1 into x minus A minus h plus A2 into x minus A minus nh into x minus A minus nh plus h and so on up till An x minus A nh into x minus A minus nh plus h up till x minus A minus h. Now we determine the coefficient A0, A1, A2 up till An so as to make Pn A plus nh is equal to F A plus nh plus Pna Fa. This is equal to Fa. Now putting in one x equal to A plus nh, A plus nh minus h and so on, and also putting Pn A plus nh which is equal to F A plus nh and so on, we get F A plus nh is equal to A0 or A0 is equal to F A plus nh. So F A plus nh minus h will be equal to A0 plus A1 into minus h, or we can simply say that A1 is equal to F A plus nh minus F A plus nh minus h upon h, or we can write A1 is equal to 1 upon h del F A plus nh, where del is called the backward operator and is defined by the relation del fx is equal to fx minus fx minus h. Also f a plus nh minus 2h is equal to a0 plus a1 into minus 2h plus a2 into minus 2h minus h. So on solving we get the value of a2 as 1 upon factorial 2 h square del 2f a plus nh. So similarly we can derive the values of a3, a4, a5 up till an, and finally we get the value of an as 1 upon factorial n hn del f del nf a plus nh. Now putting these values of a1, a2, a3 up till an in equation number 1, we get Pnx is equal to f a plus nh plus del f a plus nh upon h into x a plus nh x minus a plus nh and so on. So and last term will be del nf a plus nh upon factorial n into hn into x minus a plus nh into x minus a plus nh minus h and so on up till x minus a plus h. This is called the Newton-Gregory formula for backward interpolation. Now putting u is equal to x minus a plus nh upon h, so we get x is equal to a plus nh plus hu. So Pnx can be written as Pnx is equal to Pn a plus nh plus hu, which is equal to f a plus nh plus u del f a plus nh and so on up till. So last term we will get u into u plus 1 u into u plus 1 into u plus 2 into u plus 3 up till un plus n minus 1 upon factorial n del nf a plus nh. This is the form in which Newton-Gregory formula for backward interpolation is usually written. This is the backward interpolation formula and is so called because it contains value of tabulated function from f is equal to a plus nh backward to the left and none to the right of f a plus nh. This formula is mainly used for interpolating the values of fx near the end of the set of tabular values. Now we will discuss one example also. Now use Newton-Gregory formula forward difference interpolating formula to compute y 3.62 from the following table. Here we have given the values of x and y, corresponding value of x at 3.60 and corresponding value is 36.598 and so on. We have put this in the table form. So delta y will be 1.877, 1.972, 2.075. So del 2y will be 0.095 and 0.102 and del 3y will be equal to 0.007. Here we have A is equal to 3.60, H is equal to 0.05 and the value of 3.62 is required. Therefore, A plus HM is equal to 3.62 or 3.60 plus 0.05 M, this is equal to 3.62. M is equal to 2/5, which is equal to 0.4. So, Newton-Gregory forward interpolation formula, we get the final result as y 3.62 is equal to 37.337. That's all.